Social activist Ngachonmi Chomroy na kakapi lairik The Other Side of Manipur, The Untold Story of Hill Peoples in Manipur Kachili pheisin kasa lairik achahon hungpung Dungrei Wolorim Manor dhargat kahaira. The Other Side of Manipur kachi lairik ji United Naga Council with General Secretary Varayo Shatsang na launch samida lairik jiwi kan khana kala leader akhawi asak awatwi maram lila hangmia. Author na The Other Side of Manipur kachi lairik kagapi wi maram li kahang ithum Manipur li pandakhalei matailak eina kaphung li pamdakhalei tribalnao bingli shorkarna yangkhei kahai ithum wi mashun miran makhami wi wang yari bingna shorkarli shitkasang khawat kala communities wi lungli shitkasang wat khangarok chikatha wi wang community clashes kashokla taraka theipapam haira manailak kahai incidentally hangsa chaka 2023 May Gachang Hokapok Mayday Eina Gugi Wi Lungli Community Clashes Kashok Hikata Hi Tekuya Chia Kala Lairik Kagapi Jili Jakchin Lak Eina grounded inside Salaga Kagapi Na Chi Kala Lairik Jili State Le Chingri Kahai Katada Kura Paira Kachiwi explain Kasa Enang Soda Chiwi roadmap la explain Sahida Laita Kapimena Hanga Book launch Kasa Jili senior journalist and author Soting A. Shimraina, author with introduction Samita Kahang, Achiwi author Ngachonmi Chomroy hi, Manui Laga wi eina lairik kapa eina kakapi hili ningsang laka, kapa ning kasang atishurda kakapila ningsang haida, Achi hikatha aman kasaka lairik kapi shok kashapna da hanga. Book launch Jiwi invocation Ji Reverend Ephraim Shaizana Sami, Kala formal tickets with President Shimri Rising na host Samia.